Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's lesson, we will teach you how to set password for RAR Archive. Right-click on the file you need. Choose Add to Archive. Go to General tab in the new window. Choose the archive type. We use RAR. Set compression method to normal. Set dictionary size to 32 megs. Click on Set Password button. Enter and then re-enter the password. Check Show Password if you want to make sure you did not make any typos. Click OK and OK again. Wait until it's done. The archive is ready. Let's open it. It asks a password. Enter a password. The archive is unlocked.
That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!